Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth device format setting in Infinix mobile. So in this video friends, I will show you guys how can you forget your earphones to your phone. Guys, you have your Bluetooth earphones and guys you want to forget to your phone. So then how can you forget your earphone to your phone? In this video friends, I am going to show you guys. So first of all guys, what will you have to do guys? You will have to click on guys your phone setting. Guys, click on your more connection settings and tap here. And as you can see your phone Bluetooth setting guys, tap here. As you can see guys, we have connected Ubon CL20 earphones. Now we want to forget this device. So then how can we forget? By right side this icon guys, tap here. Friends, you can see this icon right side, click here. So friends, you want to change your device name. So as you can change from here guys. But I will not change guys. As you can see forget option guys, tap here, forget device. So with this earphone will forget guys, you cannot use guys, you want to use, so you will have to connect again guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video fam, we will meet on next video, bye friends.